How to create a Windows 7 file share that requires no authentication. This almost seems like a silly question, and yet I can't find the combination to keep the safe open. I am trying to create a file share on a Windows 7 Pro workstation. I want no authentication prompt. None. Zero. Zilch. Smiley face. The workstation is joined to a Windows domain. The share is scans, and the directory is c:\scans. Despite my attempts at setting both share and NTFS permissions and everyone/FC, users connecting from other workstations are still prompted for credentials. What's worse is my network scanner can't send files to the share because of the need to authenticate. The connecting workstations mostly run Windows 7. There might be XP in there somewhere, but I don't know offhand. Anyone run into this little oddity?
In the Start menu type secpaul.master of science. This will open the Local Security Policy Manager. Go to Security Settings, Local Policies, Security Options in their Select Network Access column. Let everyone permissions apply to anonymous users and set it to Enabled. Then add the name of each share to be accessed anonymously on a line by itself in the setting named Network Access, shares that can be accessed anonymously. Finally, make sure the Everyone group has permissions on your share and you should be good to go. Caveat: you are on a domain. If the domain group policy assigns a value to this setting, you will not be able to override it locally without the domain admin making a change to the GPO, putting in an exception for your computer. PS: since you are on a domain, you may be able to do this by giving domain users permission to read/write to the folder, then anyone logged into the same domain as you should have access. However, this will not likely fix your network scanner issue. I had the same problem between computers in my network. Shares kept asking for a password. It turned out that it was caused by having same usernames, different passwords between workgroup computers. So anyone can access shares, but if you have the same username, a different password, you're screwed.
Microsoft uses different permissions for share access and file system access. Make sure that the folder you're sharing and the share pointing to that folder are both set to everyone/full control.
I ran into the same problem just now, and the help button on the share dialog actually, lo and behold, gave useful information. Go to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Advanced sharing settings and change password protected sharing to off. See picture below.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.